there is no one way in which you can transition from being an engineer to become a product manager. There are several different ways. There are a lot of hundreds of people who have done that, thousands of people if you consider the entire world, thousands of people who have been into engineering and gotten into product management. Some people have gotten through sheer luck, like just by chance they were there, and there was no one else, and they had to take up this responsibility, what we call as accidental product managers. Then we have people who were into engineering, did not like it so much, went and did an MBA and got an opportunity to work as a product manager. Then there are people who were business analysts or UX or into engineering or solution architect level, and they internally applied and tried to move into product management and got into that role. Sorry. So there is no one way, but the best way is if you are working with an organization and if you can potentially make that internal switch, that is the easiest way to do that. Now, how to make that possible is by see, if you have a product management team, try and understand first from them what is it that they do. Really understand, maybe spend a day with them, take an off from your real work and spend a day with them, moonlight them and understand what they really do. Maybe a lot of times that will open your eyes and you'll not be interested in this in this role anymore, which is also a good thing, because a lot of people actually realize after joining this role that it's not something what they thought it would be, right? So there is a lot of myth around product management. Sorry. So yeah, essentially do that. Pick up brains of some product managers that you might know. If you don't, then go to product management meetups or product related meetups and meet real product managers, ask them what they do, understand from them how did they make that transition, how did they become a product manager, and what are the things that you are lacking that they might have done, and then do that. Try to build your product instincts. How you can do that is by actually analyzing real products. See what are good. If you were product manager of Amazon app, what would you do? How would you improve that? If you were product manager of Ola, how would you improve that? If you are product manager of Meesho, how would you improve that? Right? If you want to become a product manager with with MoveInSync, you can pick up one of the product of MoveInSync, Get to Work or the MoveInSync applications, and tell us how you would improve that product or the user experience, and that would definitely help us realize whether you have that product instinct in you, and that would definitely help in improving your chances of getting into the product management. And then you need to be good at understanding the problems, articulating the problems, and communicating between different stakeholders. So technology team is one stakeholder, design team is another, creative is another stakeholder, sales or customer success is another stakeholder, management is another stakeholder. So you need to make sure that you are able to understand everyone's problem in a different context and provide them with whatever is the right solution in their context, right? So that is how once you practice these skills is when you would be able to qualify to become a good product.